Dear students, today we are going to see about arc welding lap joint. For this experiment, aim of the experiment to make a lap joint for given workpiece. Material supplied for this experiment 100 mm and 50 mm width and 6 mm thickness workpiece we are going to take in two numbers, and tools required uh, tongs, chipping hammer and wire brush and electrode, safety helmet and apron and gloves and goggles. These are all the materials we are going to use for this experiment. Stop. Of operation, uh, edge preparation and tacking and welding and cooling, and then cleaning the workpiece. Procedure of the lap joint. For this experiment, first we are going to check the whether the workpiece is cleaned or not, and then the workpiece is kept on the welding table, and then we are going to switch on the power supply, and then we are going to check the electrode, the current is arc created or not. So for this experiment in arc welding, at 15,000 degrees Celsius to 20,000 degrees Celsius, heat is generated from this arc, and then we take the tongs to hold the workpiece, to put on a welding correct position, and then to weld the workpiece. So this welding is fully on the workpiece length, and then the same procedure we do in the another side of the welding workpiece. So we take the workpiece in another side. This process we continue for the another side also. Finally, we complete the lap joint of the given workpiece, and then we wait for until the cooling, and then we take the chill hammer. Stop. So next we are going to remove the electrode coating of the both sides. So finally we complete the workpiece. We complete the lap joint, and then we are going to cool the workpiece, remove the bus.